how to do a hair oil treatment. So today's hair wash day. I'm gonna confess that I actually washed my hair yesterday because I was so smelly. It was like a quick wash though, so I'm still gonna do my normal oil routine, and I kind of want to show you how to do a hair oil treatment. So I'm going to grab my oil and pretty much just drench my scalp with it. Oh, know how my hair used to be? It didn't even curl. Like, it would air dry so bad. Like, I'm so impressed it can hold a curl. Pretty crazy, like, to see the transformation of when you actually take care of your hair. And obviously I want stuff that's non-toxic, but I also don't want it to be so natural that like it's just arroz water, you know what I mean? Like, I still want to smell good, and I don't want it to just be like lechuga and arroz on my hair, or aguacate. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the back. So I'm gonna massage it. Bonus, if you have a little silicone massager, leave this by your bed and do it like at night or in the morning. Care of my scalp, like for real. I've always been focused on scalp, and I knew that was important, but I wash my hair at night anymore, especially if I'm not gonna blow dry it. Do my scalp growth serum every single night. I put my leave-in conditioner on my ends. I would say 5 nights. Sometimes I forget. Even these massages, like, it's not a big deal, but doing it every day does take commitment. I'm gonna detangle my hair, put some oil on the ends. I'm gonna put my split end mender. Although you should focus on getting a haircut, don't try to just keep these split ends. I like to use it for when I'm not gonna go into the salon yet. That's it. That's how I do my oil treatment. You can put in a little slick back ponytail. I don't think I've made a blowout video, so I might have to do that too. All right, bye.